Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we've got a real game changer for all you drivers out there, the Aventry Road Trip Bluetooth car speakerphone. If you're looking for the best hands-free car kit on the market, you've come to the right place. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our reviews of top-notch products like this one. Now, let's get started. The Aventry Road Trip is not your average car speakerphone. It's a 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker and wireless FM transmitter, and it's packed with incredible features that make it stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about its hands-free capabilities. The Road Trip lets you take calls, send texts, or get driving directions without taking your hands off the wheel. It even has Siri Assistant integration for effortless voice commands. But what truly sets the Road Trip apart is its audio quality. It boasts dual 3-watt speakers that deliver crystal-clear calls and high-fidelity sound. Whether you're dealing with freeway noise or traffic, this device ensures you hear and are heard. Now, here's a feature for your ultimate convenience. The Road Trip has an auto power on/off function. When you leave your car, it'll power off. When you return and open the door, it senses your presence and connects automatically. No hassle, no fuss. And for those of you with multiple phones, the Road Trip has you covered. It supports multi-point connection, meaning you can connect 2 phones simultaneously. So, if you're sharing a car, you can answer calls from either phone and even stream 2 different music playlists through your car speakers. Before you hit that buy button, a quick note: this product is designed for use in the US, so if you're abroad, you might need an adapter or converter. Always check compatibility before purchasing. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll get the Road Trip car speakerphone, a car visor clip, a car charger, a USB data charging cable, and a quick start guide. Everything you need to get started right away. If you're curious how the Aventry Road Trip stacks up against other models, here's a quick comparison. It's got 6 watts of multimedia speaker capacity, dual microphones, and a replaceable battery for extended use. So, there you have it. The Aventry Road Trip Bluetooth car speakerphone, the best hands-free car kit you can find. With its amazing features, top-notch audio quality, and seamless functionality, it's a must-have for anyone on the road. That's all for today's review, folks. If you want to get your hands on the Aventry Road Trip, we've included the Amazon link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, drive safely and stay connected.